Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I thought we'd do a video concerning our carving bag. What do we need to have in our carving bag? Now some of you may have a carving bag or a carving tote, or you may, like some of our guys around here, they just have them in a roll-up towel sometimes. But to keep your tools safe and to last you a long time, you need to have something to keep them in and where you can travel safely. And so this is where I keep when I'm on the road a lot. This goes with me everywhere. And so today we're going to open this guy up here and we'll just see what's in here. And again, you don't have to have what I have, but this is just, of course, I have to wear glasses. Of course, safety first is our glove, and make sure that you have that in there above everything else. And of course, our tool roll of our main tools that we use to carve. And so this is important to have in your bag. I carry a little bit of everything, extra tools in, just in case I'm not around a buffer or things like that there. But down here in the bottom, I do keep my buffing stick. As you can see, it's been used a lot, and on the corners for the V-tools and the knives and so on and so forth. And then I keep a little bit of jeweler's rouge. I keep this in a tube. It's a lot cleaner than having the chalk form with me, and so I put that on keep that with me everywhere I go. And then at the very bottom, along with my other chips and stuff that comes along with it, I have this little bag with slipstones whenever I have a tool that's been damaged or whatever. And also I can do the inside work of the tool. And also I have my diamond stones that I sharpen on if I'm out and about and I need a quick honing there on a particular tool. So I have this little bag full of slipstones, and also I carry a pair of fingernail clippers with me, just in case my fingernails are too long, because you don't want to carve with long fingernails. It mars your wood. And so, especially basswood, it's pretty good. Of course, I carry a ruler with me to measure things. That's always good to have around. Of course, your finger guards and thumb guards, things like that there. And of course, my old standby carving brush to get rid of the fuzzies. Pencils, you can never have enough pencils and things like that there. Then of course I don't care how good of a carver you are, you need band-aids. So make sure you have some Neosporin in here, some band-aids and things. And every once in a while check this bag out and make sure the band-aids still are applicable to you. They still work. Here's a little study stick that Harold Enlow did for me years and years ago. And relaxed eye, normal eye, smiling eye. I always keep that with me just for memory's sake. And of course in here is just different tools I just carry with me, extra knives and things like that there. And then here is a little fella I like to carry around. He's a pair of scissors. You never know, you might need a pair of scissors somewhere. And so you open them up and they turn into a pair of scissors, and then you can trim things, and these are really, really sharp. And so little things like that there you can carry in your bag. You don't have to, but these are just a way, this is what I carry in my bag when I'm traveling. And just backup tools just in case something goes haywire on things. And like I said, thumb guards, finger guards, things like that. If you want to use them, you can. And then I have, of course, super glue, just in case something breaks on you. I carry that with me. And every once in a while, you need to check and make sure it's still fluid, that it's usable if you haven't used it in a long time. And of course, a caliper. I carry a caliper with me, for dividing and measuring things for eyes and noses on things, or someone that I may be carving with might need it. And then, of course, down here in the bottom, I carry a little measuring tape, and I carry that everywhere I go. You need to measure something really quick. And so just a little odd and end things like this here, just to have along, and because you never know. But you'll come up with your own things that you want to keep in your bag, and this is what I have in mind. So this is just a little thought we came up with. I thought, what, might be interested to know what's in Van's bag here. So this is what's in there, and again, you're going to come up with your own things of carrying your own bag or your tote or whatever. So anyway, thanks for joining us today, and I wish you all the best, and keep your tools buff, and happy carving. We'll see you soon.